Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best gear to spark your next big adventure. Whether you're a beachcomber, relic hunter, or just love the thrill of finding buried treasure, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the top 5 best metal detectors of 2025. And trust me, these picks are absolute game changers. We got the links to all of them in the description below, so don't worry. Your next treasure hunt is just a click away, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Kicking off our list at number 5, we've got the Garrett ACE 400, a longtime fan favorite and perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. This bad boy features iron audio to help you hear discriminated iron targets, digital target ID, and a sweet frequency of 10 kHz, making it great for coins, jewelry, and even some relics. Whether you're a seasoned treasure hunter or just getting started, the Garrett ACE 400 metal detector is your ultimate companion for adventure. Proudly made in the USA, this powerful and precise detector is built to help you uncover hidden coins, relics, jewelry, and more with confidence and clarity. At the heart of the ACE 400 is its advanced digital target ID system, offering a 0 to 99 numeric scale that instantly identifies metal conductivity. This means you'll spend less time guessing and more time finding exactly what you're looking for. Say goodbye to the frustration of digging up bottle caps and rusty nails. Speaking of avoiding trash, Garrett's exclusive iron audio feature lets you hear discriminated iron targets before you dig, saving you time and energy while helping you focus on the good stuff. Combine that with electronic pinpointing in non-motion all-metal mode, and you'll be able to zero in on your target with pinpoint accuracy, making recovery faster and easier than ever. Worried about interference from power lines or nearby detectors? No problem. The adjustable frequency control helps minimize false signals and crosstalk, so you can hunt with confidence, even in high-traffic areas like parks and beaches. To make your detecting experience even better, the ACE 400 comes loaded with free accessories. You'll get a pair of clear sound, easy stow headphones for comfortable listening, an ACE environmental cover-up to protect your control box from the elements, and a search coil cover to keep your equipment in top shape. Whether you're on a casual weekend hunt or embarking on a serious treasure-seeking mission, the Garrett ACE 400 offers the perfect blend of power, precision, and user-friendly features. It's everything you need to dig smarter, not harder. Next up, number 4, the Minelab Vanquish 540. This one is a powerhouse for the price. With multi-IQ technology, you can detect all metals on all terrains simultaneously. Plus, it comes with iron bias control and a cool red LED backlight for low-light conditions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hunter, this powerhouse combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to deliver serious results right out of the box. At the core of the Vanquish 540 is Minelab's revolutionary multi-IQ technology, which uses 5 frequencies simultaneously. That's right, simultaneous multi-frequency means you'll detect all metals in all soils at all times. Coins, relics, jewelry, even in mineralized or salty environments. The Vanquish doesn't miss a beat. With its turn-on-and-go design, there's no need to manually adjust frequencies or ground balance. The Vanquish 540 automatically selects the best settings based on your soil conditions. The easy-to-use interface, complete with a bright red backlight for low-light conditions, gets you detecting faster with less guesswork. Customize your hunt with 4 powerful search modes: coin, jewelry, relic, and custom, each engineered for optimal performance in specific environments. Whether you're sweeping a trashy park, combing a beach, or exploring old fields, the Vanquish 540 adapts effortlessly. Use pinpoint mode for laser-accurate target recovery and spend less time digging in the wrong spot. Weighing in at just 2.8 pounds, this detector is lightweight, collapsible, and incredibly portable. It folds down to just 30 inches, 76 centimeters, with a convenient snap-lock system, perfect for travel or stowing in a backpack. Experience full audio control with automatic noise canceling, lightning-fast response, and 10 volume levels. Plus, iron bias lets you filter out trash so you can focus on finding real treasure. A pair of wired 3.5mm headphones is included, ensuring you catch every tone clearly. With the Vanquish 540, you're not just detecting, you're detecting smarter, deeper, and faster. Packed with professional features yet easy enough for anyone to use, it's your go-to detector for any terrain, any target, anytime. Coming in hot at number 3, we've got the Nocta Macro Simplex Plus, the ultimate budget-friendly waterproof beast. This detector is fully submersible up to 10 feet, which makes it perfect for beach and river hunts. Plus, it's got built-in wireless capability, vibration feedback, and an easy-to-use menu. The Nocta Simplex Ultra is more than just a metal detector. It's a rugged, high-performance machine packed with premium features, designed for serious explorers and casual hobbyists alike. Fully waterproof up to 16 feet, the Simplex Ultra lets you detect on land or underwater with total confidence. Whether you're combing the beach, wading through rivers, or diving in search of hidden relics, this detector is built to perform wherever adventure takes you. One of its standout features is the fully carbon fiber shaft, lightweight, incredibly durable, and retractable down to just 25 inches. It's the perfect blend of strength and portability, making it ideal for travel, hiking, or even deep diving expeditions. Plus, the carbon fiber look? Simply sleek. Tired of heavy gear dragging you down? The Simplex Ultra weighs just 2.6 pounds, and its balanced design means you can swing it for hours without fatigue. It's made for long hunts and epic discoveries. Navigate with ease thanks to the vivid color LCD screen. The high-resolution display delivers all the information you need at a glance, from target ID to depth indicators, while the intuitive interface ensures quick access to settings and adjustments. No more fumbling through complicated menus, just pure detecting bliss. Want to keep your detector future-ready? With online firmware updates via USB, you'll always have the latest features and improvements at your fingertips, keeping your gear sharp and your performance top tier. Whether you're a beginner looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use detector, or an experienced hunter wanting reliable performance in any environment, the Nocta Simplex Ultra delivers. Sliding into number 2, we have the XP Deus 2. This one is for the serious detectorists out there. It's the world's first fully wireless, multi-frequency metal detector. Yep, coil, headphones, and remote. Wireless. It's fully submersible up to 20 meters, features insane customization, lightning-fast recovery speeds, and the ability to hunt in any soil or weather condition. Designed for professionals and passionate detectorists, this high-performance detector offers unmatched precision, speed, and versatility, all packed into a sleek, fully wireless system. At the core of the Deus 2 is XP's revolutionary fast multi-frequency technology, which allows it to scan using multiple frequencies simultaneously. Whether you're detecting coins, relics, or gold nuggets, this cutting-edge system adapts to any soil condition: wet beach sand, mineralized ground, or deep forest, with lightning-fast signal processing and incredible target separation. Equipped with an 11-inch FMF search coil, this detector provides exceptional depth and coverage without sacrificing accuracy. It's engineered to be ultra-sensitive while rejecting iron and junk with impressive precision, giving you cleaner finds and fewer false targets. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Deus 2 features total wireless connectivity. The coil, control unit, headphones, and even the included My 6 pinpoint to communicate seamlessly without cables. That means less gear, more freedom, and no tangles while you're out hunting. Built for adventure, the XP Deus 2 is fully waterproof up to 20 meters, ideal for underwater detecting, rainy conditions, or wet, muddy terrain. Its robust construction and premium materials make it lightweight, durable, and comfortable for long sessions in the field. No batteries to worry about here. It's battery-powered with long-lasting performance, so you can stay in the zone without constantly recharging. The sleek gray design isn't just stylish, it's smart. With a user-friendly interface and customizable programs, the Deus 2 is intuitive for beginners, yet powerful enough for seasoned pros. And finally, number 1, the metal detector that's taken 2025 by storm, the MindLab Manticore. This thing is a technological beast. With multi-IQ plus tech, it has 50% more power than its predecessors, plus 2D target identification, high-definition audio, and advanced discrimination. Engineered for enthusiasts and professionals alike, this top-tier machine harnesses multi-IQ plus technology, MindLab's groundbreaking advancement that delivers 50% more power than previous models. If you're serious about discovering deeper and faster, Manticore is your ultimate tool. At the heart of its innovation is Multi-IQ Plus, the most powerful simultaneous multi-frequency system on the market. It allows the Manticore to scan the ground with unmatched efficiency, ensuring you never miss a valuable signal, whether it's a coin, relic, or gold nugget. Discover what lies beneath with Advanced Target ID, featuring a dynamic 2D target map and crisp, rich audio. This next-level target identification system allows you to see and hear your finds clearly, even in trash-heavy environments. With improved discrimination, you'll spend less time digging junk and more time uncovering true treasure. Wherever your adventures take you, the Manticore is ready. With 10 versatile search modes, including all-terrain, beach, and goldfield, you can tackle everything from dry inland fields to wet, salty shores. Plus, it's fully waterproof up to 16 feet, IP68 rated, making it perfect for shallow diving or rainy day hunts. Despite its power, the Manticore is incredibly lightweight and compact, folding down from 56.7 inch to just 24.8 for easy transport and all-day comfort. Its ergonomic design ensures hours of detecting without fatigue. Continue the hunt after sunset with smart features like a built-in flashlight, keypad backlight, display illumination, and vibration feedback in the hand grip, perfect for low-light and nighttime detecting. With customizable audio controls, you can fine-tune your experience to your liking, filtering out noise and honing in on high-value signals with confidence. For those who demand the best in detection depth, target clarity, and all-terrain reliability, the MindLab Manticore stands in a league of its own. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best metal detectors of 2025. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to take your detecting to the next level, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which detector you would choose. And don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a find. Links to all the detectors are in the description below. Go check them out and start your next treasure hunting adventure today. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.